The next step in our garden project is going to typing. So I'm going to go to slide 4. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can find slide number 4. So in this slide, we're going to now add the information that you have written down. Maybe it's what you learned, or maybe it's something else, but I'm going to give you Miss Rachel's example, but you make sure you write what you have. So the first thing we're going to do is type. So I need to go up to the top, click on the text box, and then click at the bottom. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can add a text box at the bottom of slide 4. Now I'm going to type my sentence. So at the beginning of a sentence is a capital letter. So I'm going to write capital I, afterward is a space, learned, I don't need a capital letter this time, learned that there are many types of flowers. At the end of my sentence, then I put my period. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can add the sentence at the bottom of slide 4. Now, what we're going to do is, before I look at the color or make my typing any bigger, I'm going to add the background, because that will help me know what color I can make my words and how big I should make it. So I'm going to go up to the top. I'm not going to click this one like last time. I'm going to go to where it says background. This is going to put it behind my words. So I'm going to click background, and then where it says image, I'm going to click choose. Now it looks similar to before. I go to the end, say search, and I'm going to type in flower. And I can click enter or click on the search key. Now here are different options for flowers that I could put in. So I found one down here that looks like a lot of different types of flowers, which is what I'm talking about. So I'm going to click on that one, and then I'm going to say select. Okay, so now that I see that it's in the back, I press done. Go ahead and pause the video to select your background image. So here are the words I had before. So what I want to do is I want to highlight, so I'm going to click on the end and click all of it, and then I'm going to go up to my numbers and I'm going to make it bigger. Now if this happens, I can pull on the ends to make it longer so that I can read it. Now it's a little bit hard to read. If I want, I can make the background a different color. So if I click back on here, notice all of these things came back up here. So I'm going to start at the end, highlight, click, hold down. I'm going to go up here to the bucket, and I can choose a color. Now I could choose white, and that way I can read the black behind. We don't want to choose any color that's too dark. We want to stick with a lighter color so that I can read the black words. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can make your text bigger and change the background color if you want. So boys and girls, we have finished with slide 4. You're going to do the same thing now that we did on slide 4 on slide number 5. So you can go ahead, you can start this video again if you want to follow it to see the steps. Go ahead and finish 4 and 5.